Don't do it. Don't.
I have to sneeze.
No. You're not allowed.
She can throw up on the table, but I can't sneeze.
We didn't give her permission to do that either.
Oh my god. I'm so angry.
I'm really sorry. It was not. My nostrils still burn. If that makes you feel better.
It does. Thank you.
This is cursed.
What?
I just wanted to make arts and crafts with my
stream
sisters.
is already fucking cursed. We should have taken this as a sign.
Do you want to recollect what happened as soon as I caught it?
Yeah, immediately. Okay, so
We can't talk about something else.
this is the hot topic right now. Okay, so Malfa. Alright. So.
The kind of crafts we're doing.
Yeah.
Explanatory.
Hold on, wait. Where's the pen?
There's a pen right here.
I need pen. Pen. Ooh. Pens. Okay.
带我，我是对的味道，我妈手工的味道，小猪这样的家，大娘。